Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in home comfort technology. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Today, we're turning up the heat as we dive into the best portable space heater for 2025. Let's start and see which model can warm up your winter. The fifth product on our list: MORENTO Space Heaters. Introducing the MORENTO Smart Space Heater, a cutting-edge 1500 watts electric heater designed for indoor use, perfect for offices, bedrooms, and homes. This portable heater is equipped with advanced features, including Wi-Fi and voice control capabilities, allowing you to operate it remotely via the HOVELWORKS app or through voice commands with Alexa and Google Home. Its adjustable digital thermostat and 70 degrees oscillation ensure even heat distribution. At the same time, a 12-hour timer allows you to schedule heating to align with your daily routine. Safety is paramount with this heater, which is constructed from V0-grade flame-resistant materials and includes multiple safety features such as overheat protection, tip-over protection, a child lock, and a dual-fuse protection circuit. After shutting off, a 30-second cool-down display and fan activation prevent overheating. The heater's quiet mode operates at a low 36 decibels, making it one of the most peaceful in its class, ideal for a noise-free environment. Additionally, the Eco mode optimizes energy consumption by adjusting heat output based on ambient temperatures, providing efficient warmth with less energy. This heater not only offers precision and convenience, but also integrates seamlessly into any room with its sleek tower design and additional features like an LED display and mute function. The fourth product on our list: Dreo Space Heater. Discover the Dreo Space Heater, a 1,500-watt ceramic tower heater that combines rapid heating and energy efficiency for indoor use. Ideal for various indoor spaces like offices, bedrooms, and large rooms, this heater features a robust PTC ceramic heating element that heats up swiftly, ensuring your space reaches the desired temperature in no time. It boasts a range of advanced functionalities, including a programmable 1 to 12-hour timer, a precise adjustable thermostat ranging from 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 70 degrees wide oscillation to distribute heat uniformly across the room. The unit is designed with safety in mind, equipped with an ETL-certified flame-retardant body, built-in tip-over and overheat protection, and a sturdy, flat power cord that discourages using extension cords. Its silent operation at 40 decibels also allows for a disturbance-free environment, perfect for peaceful sleep or uninterrupted work. Energy efficiency is optimized through a smart Eco mode, which adjusts between 900 watts and 1,500 watts to maintain comfortable warmth while reducing energy consumption. For added convenience, it includes a digital LED display, remote control, and a top-place touchscreen for easy adjustments. The third product on our list: Shark 3-in-1 Max Air Heater. Explore the versatility of the Shark 3-in-1 Max Air Purifier, which also functions as a heater and fan, designed for large spaces up to 1,000 square feet. This multifunctional device not only enhances comfort, but also improves air quality in your home or office. Equipped with Shark's advanced NanoSeal high-efficiency particulate air filter, it captures 99.98% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, effectively reducing allergens and pollutants. The purifier offers 3 distinct modes: air purification, heating, and cooling, allowing for tailored environmental control throughout the year. The unit includes Clensense IQ technology, which monitors air quality and automatically adjusts settings to maintain optimal conditions, displaying real-time data on PM1, PM2.5, and PM10 particle sizes. Operation is simplified with a remote control, providing convenience and ease. Its powerful yet quiet air purification system ensures a clean and comfortable atmosphere, making it an essential addition to any room. The second product on our list: Dreo Radiator Heater. Introducing the Dreo Radiator Heater, a 1,500 watts oil-filled radiator designed for efficient and even heat distribution in large rooms. This heater features 8 M-shaped fins that increase the heat dissipation area by 59.5%, ensuring that warmth spreads quickly and uniformly throughout your space while maintaining a safe surface temperature to prevent scalding. Ideal for any indoor setting, this radiator heater combines functionality with safety. It is equipped with tip-over protection, V0 flame retardant material, triple overheat protection, and a safety plug, all certified by ETL. The Dreo radiator heater is engineered for precision heating control, boasting a dedicated thermal sensor and a dynamic compensation algorithm that keeps temperature deviations to a low 4%. It includes a digital display and offers 4 heating modes: 600 watts, 900 watts, 1,500 watts, and a smart eco mode. The eco mode automatically adjusts the heater's output based on the room temperature, providing comfortable warmth while optimizing energy usage. Easily adjust settings using the included remote control and enjoy the ambient temperature indicator for a tailor-made heating experience. Finally, Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Tower Heater. The Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Tower Heater is designed to enhance the comfort of any indoor space, be it a home office, bedroom, or living room. This 1,500 watts heater, part of Lasko's renowned home comfort products, is known for its sleek, curved design that not only adds a modern touch to your decor, but also facilitates efficient 120 degrees heat distribution throughout medium-sized rooms. It features a variety of settings, including 3 heat options and 2 fan speeds, all adjustable through touch-sensitive controls or a convenient remote control, allowing you to customize your warmth from anywhere in the room. Safety features are comprehensive, with a ceramic insert plug to prevent overheating, a tip-over switch, a child lock, and cool touch housing, ensuring a safe heating experience. Energy conservation is prioritized with an auto eco mode that adjusts output to maintain optimal temperature while using 50% less energy. Additionally, it includes a 12-hour timer for scheduled shutdowns. It comes fully assembled with a 6-foot power cord for easy placement and mobility. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe.